Hi Debbie, it's Beatrice again. First of all, I want to pass my sincere gratitude to you for what you've been doing to me. I'm grateful. If it were not for you, I would not be where I am. May God bless you, and I'm thankful for the help you've been helping me, what you've been giving Michelle to give me. I'm grateful, and then it is my last year in high school. I'm only remaining 3 months, and then I'll be out of school. And the big thing is what I will come out of this school as. I'm working hard to see myself pass my exam and be a prosperous person in future and help the needy like I am. Yeah. Thank you, and say hi to Rebecca. Thank you.
No, don't walk away and be shy. She doesn't want to see that. Yeah.